I think I messed up. I didn't join Seismic Engineering Academy sooner. Welcome to Seismic Engineering Academy, led by SM Fuad Hassan, Assistant Engineer at RPGCL, a company of Petrobangla. Fuad Hassan completed his BSc in Civil Engineering from BUET. He also recommended as an Assistant Engineer at BWDB and also as an Assistant Manager at SGFL. He is an Associate Member of IEB Dhaka. Are you ready to crack those tough government civil engineering exams? With our expert guidance, you can. Our comprehensive courses cover everything you need, from technical concepts to exam strategies. We focus on what matters most. Our real-world experience and tailored study plans give you an edge over the competition. Want to learn from someone who's been there and done that? That's exactly what you get with SM Fuad Hassan. His proven track record speaks for itself. Join us, and you'll find a community of like-minded learners, all aiming for success. You'll get personalized support and motivation every step of the way. So what are you waiting for? Take the leap. Transform your career with Seismic Engineering Academy today. To get more info, please contact over our WhatsApp number 013172093990.